Meaning of forefront.
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 Forefront. Forefront refers to the leading or most important position in a particular field. It is the forefront of innovation, advancement, or progress in a certain area. Being at the forefront means being ahead of others and setting the pace for future developments. The forefront is where new ideas emerge and old ones are challenged, and it often involves risk-taking and experimentation. Being at the forefront requires a willingness to explore uncharted territories and push boundaries, which can lead to breakthroughs that benefit society as a whole.